guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today, as you can see, is the willl Pompompurin here. This is the giant one that I made first, and then I also made a mini one with the mini Perler beads. So today I'm gonna show you how to build this one. Actually I'm gonna use the small one to build it, but you can also use the big bead to make this giant one right here. This one is super cute. So today we're gonna be learning how to build this one instead of a vlog to show you how I build it. So I found this pattern on Pinterest like a long time ago, but I didn't build it because I didn't really know it will turn out this big, but it's amazing. I love the giant one because it looks so good, super detailed with all of these, and it's very challenging as well. So if you're gonna build this with me, I know you're gonna be, get the beads ready, and I think it's about like 2 to 2,500 for the blue beads. And then for the yellow one, maybe 2,000, I think. So get the beads ready, and then save some time every single day and build them piece by piece, and you will get this. Or use the mini bead. The mini bead, it will take a little bit shorter time because the time to iron the pieces is gonna be faster than the big one. But it's your personal preference to see which one you like. So before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell so you won't miss out any new videos and tutorials that I'm gonna be posting soon. And also follow me on Instagram, Candy Perler Fairy. That's where I post all my new 3D perlers creation there, and sometimes animation, fun stuff, and stories. And if you're already subscribed to my channel and also follow me, thank you so much for all your support. And if you can, share it with your friends and family or people that you know are interested doing like DIY cute stuff, that would be greatly appreciated. All right, so I guess I'm done with all the talking, and let's get into this.
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, so let's get started. We're gonna build the top part first, the head. It's a lot of pieces, so just be patient with me. So we're just gonna go layer by layer. Okay, so this is the first piece right here, and then this is the first connector piece, and then goes like this. Okay, so this is gonna be the first layer, so just follow me. And then this is the second. Okay, alright. Then this is the third. Keep going. So basically just following the size. And then goes here, you can see it already shinked to 2 rows. Just like so. And then this is the next piece, also right here. So now you can already see that we're supposed to have another connector right here. So those connectors are gonna be these 2 pieces right here. This one. Where did the other one go? Should be right here. I think it's this one. Yeah, well, when I'm thinking. Okay, so now we have the top part. Okay, so right here, this is the next piece, and you can see we have the perfect pieces for this to connect them. I always have like a little scissors near me because I know sometimes the pieces don't fit that well. Then I have to use that to kind of cut it open a little bit. Like this one, you can see that I'm kind of struggling, and I have to use the scissors. This piece looks a little struggled. Okay, maybe I need to try another approach. So since that one didn't go well, I'm gonna go from here. And then goes back. Oops. Take it slow. I know sometimes I'm brushing. Yeah, if you are already doing this with me, that means you do have a lot of patience. I mean, I use this to help me out a lot. Yay, we got it. All right, so other struggles, we can forget about it. And then this one is gonna be the next piece. As you can see, we have 4 dots over here. I think it goes this way. Now is another struggle point because sometimes they don't fit so well. So let me see. Okay. Yay! So I did use the scissors to open it a little bit. As you can see this one. I just make the hole a little bit bigger so that it's easier to put it in there. Yeah, okay, so looking good. And then now let's build the bottom pieces. This is the base piece, and then this is gonna be the second base piece. Let's go this way. Okay, so it goes this way. You can see the yellow goes to the bigger side, and I'm gonna use this longer one. A lot of patience if you're doing it with the mini bead. And then let's come into this one. Also, the yellow is the sign to go here. Okay, and then on the other side we're gonna use this. Kind of like right here. Now we're gonna add this to the top. Just like that. No, I don't see it. Okay, so just push it back to the top so we can connect them together. That's why I'm keeping my nails long, so I can use them. Connect. Yeah. And then using my tools as well. See that? This one should go this way. I don't know what happened. Okay, let's flip it. Thank you for being patient with me. Yeah, okay, it should be like this. Alright, so we're done with the top. Let's move on. Alright, so let's build the face. So it's a little complicated, but don't worry. I'm gonna try to make it easy for you. So here, we're gonna insert the face first, just like so. And then this one is the back piece. So we're gonna insert it to the back. Okay. Then let's close it up to the side. So the first side piece is gonna be this one. And then you can see these 2 long ones sticking up is gonna be towards to the front. There you go. Just be careful of you using mini beads. And then also onto the other side, again, the 2 one that is sticking up is gonna go towards to the front of the head. Alright, so now we build the head already. Okay, so let's close to the top. This is gonna be the first piece to the top. So we're gonna go this way. Alright, looking good. Alright, let me see. So let's close the side so the side of the face. So this is gonna be the next piece, okay? And then this way towards to the top, okay? Let me shut it this way. Okay. let's do it for the other side as well. So it's gonna be this piece goes this way. Looking good. And then let's come into the next piece, which is this one. Okay, so also this one is from the top. Place it this way. Yeah, looking good. I think this one might be work better on the other side. Sometimes switch it up so that to see which way works better. So now it's coming back to this one. Hopefully this one works well on this side. Okay, it's so maybe I'll bend a little bit. The reason why is because it's not like so close. I see a little gap and I don't like that. Okay, I'll try to bend it. It's okay. We can fix it a little bit later. Okay, then it comes to this last piece. Okay, so also it goes this way. Yeah, it will be better when we add the ears, I hope. Oops. Go this way, and then onto the other side. Also do the same thing. Okay, looking good. All right, let's adding the ears. So these are all the pieces for the ears, so 3 on each side. Okay, so you can see that this one's kind of loose, like able to lock it a little bit more. This one's good. Second one goes. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Let's go into the other side, place this back, and then let's go from here. First one. Oh no, it's falling apart. Okay, one more. Okay. Alright, that looks perfect. Now let's finish the face. Simply just pop it onto the top. Looking good. And then coming to the bottom, let's add this piece. Okay, so move it this way. Yay! Alright, so we're closing 2 more pieces. This piece, I believe is that's the top piece. So it goes here. Looking good. And then this one goes to the back. Yay! Now we got the top, the head of the, this 3D Perler. Yay! All right, let's move on. Get started with the body. I'm not really good at building this one, so we'll just learn it together at the same time. So I know these 2.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.